In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to a note using simple brackets and parentheses. This is one of those small skills that saves time every day. Whether you're keeping research notes, drafting ideas, or organizing resources, turning a plain web address into a clean, readable link makes your note easier to scan and share. The process is quick, and you only need to remember one easy format. First, open the note where you want the link to appear. Put your cursor exactly where you want the link to live, inside a sentence, at the end of a list, or on its own line. Setting your spot first helps you keep your thoughts flowing and prevents you from breaking up your text later. Now, type your display text inside square brackets. This is the text people will see and click. It can be a word, a short phrase, or a brief title, something clear and meaningful like "read the guide" or "project plan." Immediately after the closing bracket, without adding a space, type the URL inside parentheses. Your final result will look like this: project plan, example.com plan. Notice there's no space between the closing bracket and the opening parenthesis. That tiny detail is what tells your Note app to turn it into a link. Here's another example. Read the guide, example.com guide. The part in brackets is the label your reader sees. The part in parentheses is the actual web address, including the full address starting with https/ or http helps ensure the link becomes clickable in most note-taking tools. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Choose concise, descriptive display text so your note stays readable. If your URL is very long, that's totally fine. The beauty of this method is that the URL stays hidden behind your neat label. If you need to edit later, just update the words inside the brackets to change the label, or update the address inside the parentheses to change where it points. Be careful with punctuation. Keep any extra periods or commas outside the parentheses so they don't accidentally become part of the link. And if your Note app supports Markdown, this format will usually render instantly or as soon as you switch out of editing. That's all there is to it. Go to your Note, type your display text in square brackets, and immediately follow it with the URL in parentheses. Simple, tidy, and highly effective. Now you can keep your notes clean, your links clear, and your workflow moving.